So it's going to be a test to see what happens when a Roomba runs over a paper towel. This is the Roomba i1 Plus, so we're going to see what happens. It's been running for a few seconds, a few minutes, and as you can hear, I'm able to hear that it is moving along. These brushes are no longer able to turn. As you can see, they are not able to turn, nor are they able to come out. So, if Roomba gets a paper towel stuck in it, more or less it'll probably give you the error message. Error 2. But yeah, other than that, there's no really any way to know that you got paper towel in there. I'm gonna go do this test with the Roomba 540. One thing I will say, this is the i1 i-series, the J-E-I, all of them are the same. As you can see, they have the like bar things. This one, these. So I'm not sure if stuff will get stuck up in the brushes, but I guess you'll have to find out if you go watch my next video.